Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video I'd like to show you how to install the LED downlights. So I'm gonna do it on this ceiling behind me. As you see, they've got this ceiling has got just one main light fittings in the middle. So I'm gonna remove it and fit 4 downlights equally on the sides. The easiest way to do it is to do it from the above bedroom, that is above the ceiling. Basically remove the carpets, remove the lift up the floorboards, and then put all the wiring inside the ceiling. But in this case I can't do it because above this is a bedroom with already fitted laminate flooring, so I have to do everything in here. So now I'd like to show you how I'm gonna wire the downlights. So that's the kitchen ceiling. At the moment we've got in the middle one light fitting, and I'm gonna fit another 4 downlights on the corners and just remove this one. So all the downlights has to be connected together with 1mm cable, like so, and then the first downlight I need to take the power from the light fitting and connect to the first downlight. So this looks pretty easy, but inside the ceiling there are obviously some joints going like this, I guess. So to pass the cable through the joists, so I need to drill another 3 holes here, and so there will the cable will go under the joists, and one more here just to pass the joists as well. The downlights I'm gonna use is a LED mains powered adjustable downlights. As you see, you can swivel it, and the holes I'm gonna drill in the ceiling is, I'm gonna use the hole saw. This is 70mm hole saw, and this is just you know, the size for this downlights. If you use something different, so always check on the box when you buy the downlights what the cutout size of the hole saw. So as I said, I'm gonna wire this downlight with 1mm cable. So let's get into the terminals. So this one has got just 2 terminals, neutral and live. There's no earthing terminal. So we connect just these 2. Brown to the line terminal, blue to the neutral terminal, like this. But if you need to wire in this terminals 2 cables, so you do the same. With 2 cables, so one going here, another one exactly like this. And these 2 earthing wires, I'm using WIGO connector, so let's just plug it into it. And leave it outside. And also here I've got a piece of plasterboard with a cutted hole, 70mm for this downlight. So I'm gonna show you how you fit it inside the ceiling. So all the wires go coming from the ceiling. Then this downlight, like every downlight, has got 2 spring bits on the side. So you need to hold it in this position. And then just slide it into the hole. So on the other side, as you see, this spring bits hold the whole downlight into position. And now if you want to remove it, so you need to just hold the frame and just pull it like so. Where the next joist is, because between these two holes I need to run the cable, but there are 3 joists, yeah, so I need to check the distance from the hole to the joist. So as you see, I had to make 5 holes just to run the cable from this hole to the last hole. These 3 holes in the middle are just where the joists are, because there is no other option to run the cable. So I'm gonna run it from here, under the joist, under the joist, under the joist, and going down to the last hole. Now as you see, the cable is run from this hole into this one, from this one to that one, from that one to this one. I just decided to make one more downlight right in the middle of the ceiling, so there will be 5 in total, because anyway I need to drill the hole just to hide these 2 cables, so I'm just gonna fit another downlight here. If you've got, instead of the 1 cable coming down to the old fitting, the ceiling rows, you just need to use the WIGO connectors or junction box, this WIGO connectors, connect all the cables, all the wires the same way as it was before. Put it inside this box, plug it, put it inside the ceiling, and obviously plug it later and plaster the ceiling, or just fill this bit. So all the downlights are fitted. Later on I'm gonna use the cutouts and I'm gonna plug the holes that I made to put the cable through, and obviously replaster the ceiling again. And that's it. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.